Okay guys, I want to show you a worm I've never seen, but the fishing guys say these worms work like crazy. It's called the sandworm. Sandworm. And the most ugliest one is this one. It's bright, shiny. Called sandworm. Beautiful in color. Pearly white. Very strong. Beautiful.